In this video, you will learn how to create a blog in Shopify. Go to your Shopify store and log into your admin dashboard using your credentials. In the left-hand menu of your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, then click on Blog Post. On the Blog Post page, click on Manage Blog button. If this is your first blog, it will say Create Blog. Create blog and give your blog a name. This can be updates, news, product tips, etc. Choose your visibility settings. You can have it to choose publish on a certain date. After that, creating the blog, you will be taken to the blog poster editor. Click on Create Blog Post, add a title and start writing your content in the editor. You can format your post with headlines, links and other images, just like any other standard blog. Under the blog section on your right hand side, select the blog you've just created. You can also add features, images to your blog by clicking on the Add Image button on the right hand side. Make sure to add SEO. Scroll down to your search engine listing preview, select the customization SEO title and description for your URL of your blog post. Then, set the visibility to either visible or hidden based on whether you want it and it's ready to publish. Once you're happy, click save and then click publish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.